Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to block or disable a key in Windows keyboard. Open any browser. Copy URL from description and paste it. Click sharpikeys.msi. Install downloaded file. Click Next to continue. Click Next to continue. Type sharpikeys in Windows search bar, click sharpikeys. Click Add, manually add problematic key, or click Tape key. Click Tape key. Press the problematic key. Click OK. Select Turn key off, click OK. Click Write to Registry, click OK and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.